Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to allow camera access to apps on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here, we have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the privacy and security. From here, you have to scroll it down and over here, you will be able to find the camera. Now I have already given access to some of these apps. I have at the same time I have also disabled for some of these apps. So now if you wanted to turn it on, what you need to do is, for example, if I wanted to turn it on for Myntra, what I need to do is, it's a shopping app. I have to go over here and turn on like this. This is one of the usual way how we can do it, right? As you can see, I have accessed it, and if you wanted to disable, you can do disabling as well based on the privacy and your requirement. And also if you wanted to do it for a particular app, then what you need to do is you have to go over here at the bottom. You have to go to the bottom over here and find the app that you wanted to turn on. For example, if I wanted to turn on the camera, if I wanted to give the access, I have to go to the Book My Show. Now from here you can see the camera. I have already turned it on the Book My Show, the camera access. If it is turned off, from here you have to just turn on it like this. So this is how we can individually give an access for a particular app from here, the camera access. And also from here in the privacy and security way, you can also cross-check it from here as well. So this is how we can do it. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.